What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Veteran Patriots Nation. My name is Tim, and today we should be at an IDPA match, but it rained all night last night, so the match got canceled. So instead, we're out here at 17 South with some of the boys. We're going to be playing a few rounds of H.O.R.S.E out to 525 yards, but first, we're going to zero some optics, confirm zero, and then head over to the long range. So guys, let's roll that intro and then get shooting. Dude, you can see God with this thing.
I've got a rangefinder. I got two rangefinders. If somebody wants to,
I'm gonna need somebody to laze me out to 100.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it's really not. There's not a whole lot of wind out here. We'll have to do this again when we get out to the 500-yard lane. What are we at for humidity? And barometric pressure is 2979. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. My hands are fucking shivering, dude. All right, now we're good to go.
Next to your balls.
You said you're gonna tell me by how many, like what measurements? Or what are you gonna tell me?
In MOA, okay, so
it's a quarter MOA. So,
yeah.
But you're gonna, once you see the shot where it's fucking,
where it hit, I'm gonna use my reticle, which is in mils, to see how far from the center you are, and then I'm gonna use my conversion chart to convert mil to MOA, so I can give you proper dials to tell you how much you need to dial to bring the reticle to center. So I want you to always aim at the center.
yeah, but you say you're gonna tell me what, like 4 up or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. I'll tell you in quarters of MOA how much you adjust by. Oh. Yeah, come up. 0.1 mil. Come up 1/4 MOA. And then left 1/4 MOA.
so 5 clicks.
No, 1 click. That's 1/4 inch values. So guys, real quick, how I know how much he needs to dial, even though I'm using mil and he's using MOA, I printed off these conversion charts here from mil to MOA and MOA to mil. These are amazing to have at the range. I highly suggest printing them off. All right, brother, on you. All right, make the exact same adjustment. Up 1/4, left 1/4. And then that should put you dead on. All right, was that a good trigger press? Yeah. All right, so come up 1.5 MOA.
140.
Huh?
Those were 140.
Those were 140s.
Yeah, I recommend you continuing to use 140. Don't switch up the ammo. That's going to give you a shift in your point of aim, point of impact.
Here,
I can go get some.
hand them that. That's 140.
Hey, where'd my other bag go? Here, put this underneath your buttstock.
I've got mine over there that Yvonne's not using right now too.
I don't know if it's gonna fit.
No, like this.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can hold the bag like this, and you can squeeze it to rise it and
Okay.
let off the tension on the bag to lower it. All right, everybody. I don't have my audio hooked up right now. I don't feel like digging it out and connecting everything back up, but we're done zeroing and confirming zero and making all of our fine adjustments on the rifles. So now we're on the 500-yard lane, 525-yard lane, and we're gonna start playing horse. All right. I think the range is hot, so we're gonna put on eyes and ears and get to shooting, guys.
Defeating for the world's okayest shot.
Miss, you were just to the right of it. All right, Wes, you're next. Which one you shooting at?
I'm gonna say 300 yards, right side berm, center square target.
Okay.
Say again.
300 right side center target. Oh, this is gonna be good. Ah, you fucking missed!
Damn it.
All right, Daniel, you're up.
All right.
You want to shoot this one?
Yeah, I might as well. Why not?
All right, so shoot it that. Well, just pick a target. Do 300 right side, left target, the rectangle one. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So the second burn, right? So since that. Hit! Alright, put it on safe.
Fingers.
You're up. Yep, that's safe.
You just say Europe?
You're up. I'm up. Plumber's crack is up. Hit. Alright, my turn.
Hit.
Alright, your turn. Hit.
Hit.
Alright, Wes, you're up.
Oh, fire.
Well, that's an H. You were dead center.
Okay. What was I?
Oh, dead center as well. That's a beautiful hit. There's 3 hits on it, right? Four, yeah, there's 4 hits on it, and we all pretty much hit dead center. Like, we're all within like 2 inches of each other.
Hit.
And that's it, right?
Yeah, first round complete. No letters.
No letters.
We've all got an H.
All right, you're up first.
Doesn't it go back to him?
No, he went first last time.
Okay,
No,
so
you're
now
up
it's
for
me?
this
All
time,
right.
yeah.
Target.
Right berm, 400. Left target.
400. Okay. Ah. Let's see if he can hit that little black thing on there. 400. Just a sec. Don't shoot yet. 1.8.
Eyes on.
All right, I'm up.
Gut.
orange disc.
Yeah.
525, far right, orange disc.
That's left of the white circle.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Barely missed. A little bit to the left.
To the left.
To the left. Ever so slightly.
Motherfucker.
Hey, why does Beyonce sing to the left, to the left?
Because women have no rights.
You know, what's your gun, your scope, and whatnot?
Yeah, so I'll kick things off. This here is a Benelli Lupo chambered in 308. Stock internals with an Osprey Elite Series 8 to 32 magnification scope with a 56 millimeter lens diameter. First time shooting it so far. The glass is really clear. Got a lot of good visibility, up to 500 yards, and a lot of good color disparity. The left knob is for it's a focal point adjustment, so you can really zoom in on what you're shooting at and make your shot placement a lot more refined. Gives you a lot better PID, and in terms of recoil, everything, the Benelli is awesome. Absolutely love it.
What is that chambered in?
308.
308. 1 in 10 twist rate?
Yes.
Awesome, man. What ammo are you shooting today?
Today I'm shooting some PSA. There's some Saber, 150 grain, 2,800 feet per second.
Well, you were holding, I mean, less than 1 M away when we were zeroing.
Yeah.
Your groupings were
Yeah.
tight, so.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Hey, Wes. Okay, fuck him then. All right, what you got, man? What are you shooting?
This I'm just playing with right now. This is a 8.6 blackout. Arrow precision, upper and lower. Can't remember my barrel.
Ballistic
Yeah,
advantage barrel,
ballistic
yeah.
advantage barrel. Got the Q pork chop suppressor. AGM thermal, which is very hard to see these targets right now because everything's cold, so it all looks the same. Yeah, this one I like. It's nice and quiet.
Hell yeah.
Then my actual long range is 6.5 Creedmoor. Arrow precision upper, still using a Bear Creek Arms lower. This was a complete Bear Creek Arms rifle. I changed out the upper, got a ballistics advantage barrel on this one. I believe it's 1 in 6. Is the twist weight on it? No, 1 in 8.
Okay. And what ammo are you shooting today?
I am shooting H.O.R.S.E Super Performance, 129 grain.
Awesome. And that's a 6.5?
That's 6.5 Creedmoor.
Rock on. All right, Wes, what are you shooting over here?
I am shooting a gun.
A gun?
Yes. I got a Ruger American Predator and 6.5 Creedmoor with an Arkin EP5 5x25 by 56 scope and MOA.
Okay.
I'm shooting, it's got an APA muzzle brake on the end, and it takes out a lot of recoil. I highly recommend muzzle brakes.
What ammo are you shooting today?
Today, well, currently, I'm shooting Winchester USA Ready select grade ammunition, 140 grain, open tipped. But I hope to move on to some new ammo that I have yet to have a chance to try, made by Defender out of North Carolina.
Okay.
It's 142 grain Sierra Match King competition ammo, and quite excited for that one.
Right on.
So.
Awesome. And then, all right, guys. And then my rifle. This is a 20-inch AR-15 chambered in 223 Wild, built off an ARJ receiver set with a ballistic advantage, 1 in 8 twist rate, stainless steel bead blast, heavy flute. The optic is going to be a Vortex Strike Eagle 3-18 first focal plane with the EBR-7C reticle. And the ammo I'm shooting is 75 grain open point boat-tailed match ammo. And I'm getting about 3/4 MOA out of this gun. And I have my dope here.
my dope chart. Definitely need this for shooting out a couple hundred yards. We're only doing 525 today, but dope chart is absolutely necessary. And then I know I talked about it earlier in the video, but what I also have, since I'm the only one using mil rating and everybody else is using MOA, I have conversion charts here from mil to MOA and MOA to mil, which is really important for telling everybody else how much they need to dial. But that's about it, guys. I think we're about finished here, at least recording. We're gonna have a little more fun, but guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, share, subscribe, and we're gonna be out at SHOT Show here in another week and a half. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see all the SHOT Show coverage, and let me know down in the comments below what you want to see at SHOT Show, and I'll bring it to you. Thanks for watching.